Hare Krishna. So Krishna has been telling us since last two verses that for a person who is completely attached to the self, yastu atmaratir eva syat atmatriptascha manavah. One who is completely self-realized, he has no work to do. But is it easy to be self-realized? No. So Krishna tells today's verse, the 19th verse of the 3rd chapter. Tasmad asaktah satatam karyam karma samachara asakto hi acharan karma param apnoti purushah. Therefore, without being attached to the fruits of activities, one should act as a matter of duty. For by working without attachment, one attains the supreme. So Krishna uses the word asaktah. We see asaktah means not attached. Asaktah means attached. So when one does work without attachment to the result of that work, then he is a person who is completely situated in the self. He is at least doing his best to come out of the entanglement of this material maya. Even that is not easy. We see, when we say asaktah, what does that asaktah mean? If we simply see the lives of Arjuna, Tukaram Maharaj, yes, Arjuna, what all they did not go through, the Pandavas, they did not go through in their life. The Kauravas were constantly trying to harass them. They even tried to disrobe their wife naked in an assembly. They fought wars. Arjuna was such a person that when Urvashi approached him for intimacy, Urvashi ko Arjun कहते, you are a consort of Indra, you are like my mother. उर्वशी को इस प्रकार से, जब उर्वशी खुद आ रही है आपके पास, इस प्रकार से अगर उर्वशी को मां कहना है तो कितना मन के ऊपर धैर्य चाहिए। लेकिन इस प्रकार के व्यक्ति को भी क्या जीवन में परेशानियां नहीं होती हैं? होती हैं। When he fought the war of Kurukshetra, he lost his most dear son Abhimanyu, who had just married. You see, जब अज्ञातवास खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद अभिमन्यु और उत्तरा की शादी है, उसके तुरंत बाद ही तो महाभारत का युद्ध है। तो नया नया शादीशुदा बच्चा जिसकी पत्नी गर्भवती है, उत्तरा उस समय परीक्षित को गर्भ में लिए थी, ऐसी अवस्था में अभिमन्यु को मार दिया गया। भीमा लॉस्ट हिज सन घटोत्कच, यस, द्रौपदी लॉस्ट ऑल her 5 sons. So we see, even after doing all this, when the Pandavas finally got the kingdom, when Yudhishthira Maharaj came to know Krishna has left, without telling anyone, Yudhishthira Maharaj left. Seeing Yudhishthira Maharaj leave, Bhima left. Seeing both of them leave Arjuna, then like that and Draupadi left. This is asaktah, going through reversals, but still being completely attached to Krishna. We see Tukaram Maharaj also. Tukaram Maharaj, when Shivaji Maharaj came to know the glories of Tukaram Maharaj, he sent a Nazrana. Yes, a lot of cloth, lot of grains and many valuable things. Yes, Tukaram Maharaj said, oh, this is not for me. Yes, he says a very beautiful thing. He says, तुमचे हे येर वित्त आम्ही तेणे सुखी म्हणा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल मुखी, तुमचे येर वित्त धन ते मज मृत्तिके समान, कंठी मिरवा तुळशी व्रत करा एकादशी, म्हणवा हरीचे दास तुका म्हणे मज ही आस. He says that, oh, I am just happy, and if at all Shivaji Maharaj wants to give me a Nazrana, tell him that he should chant the holy names of Lord Vitthal. Amhi tene sukhi mana Vitthal Vitthal mukhi. Tumche yer vitta dhana, whatever you have sent me, te maza mrittike samana. It is like dust to me. Kanthi mirva tulshi, take pride in wearing a kanthi mala. व्रत करा एकादशी, कॉन्स्टंटली डू एकादशी उपवास. म्हणवा हरीचे दास. टेक ग्लोरी इन कॉलिंग yourself a devotee of Lord Krishna. Tukaram Maharaj says, मज ही आस. Yes, this is what I desire. This is what is asaktah. Yes. It is not a principle that we just learn and we think, oh, this is yes, yes, yes. No. It is a principle which is really difficult to implement. But when implemented, it gives glorious results. So Krishna says, become asaktah, my dear Arjuna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.